Hey, boss. Sorry, I was just taking a nap in my car here. I was having a great dream. What was I dreaming about? I was just dreaming about my job. How to make more sales at my job. Hey, boss. I caught some people spying on me here. I better run. Hey, guys. Didn't see you spying on me there. Just got a call from my boss, and he's a bit upset at me because I haven't sold any vacuum cleaners yet. So I got a new job as a vacuum cleaner salesman at a company called Who's Vacuum. And my job is to, go door to door selling vacuum cleaners. And haven't made any sales yet. Are you good at selling vacuum cleaners? Give me some tips down in the comments. Do you know what that means, going door to door? Door to door. Well, guys, welcome to a new series on I'm gonna teach you some English about marketing in this series, okay? So what is marketing? Marketing just means sales, selling things, right? If you're a company and you have a product, you need to do marketing to sell your product, okay? So the word market can be a noun or a verb, okay? A market can be a place. It's a place where you go to buy and sell. That's a market. But to market is also a verb, which means to try to sell your product. Okay, so I'm trying to market vacuum cleaners. So that's a verb, right? And, so I'm going door to door and trying to sell vacuum cleaners. Do you know what that means, door to door? Going door to door, what does that mean? Well, it means going to houses, random houses, and knocking on people's doors saying, "Hi, my name is Mark. I'm with Who's Vacuum. Would you like to buy a vacuum cleaner?" And then they slam the door in my face. And then I go to another house, knock on their door. That's called going door to door. Okay, to slam the door means to close the door very hard because they don't want my vacuum cleaner. So they slam the door in my face, right? If you slam something, it means you move something very fast and forcibly. Like if you slam a door, or if you slam your fist down on the table if you're angry. Or in my case, sometimes if I haven't made any sales and I'm frustrated, I come in my car and I slam my hand down on the steering wheel like this. I'm so angry. That's called slamming something, okay? So these people, they slam the door in my face and then I go to the next house, right? That's called door to door, going door to door. Can you say that? Can you pronounce that? It's almost like one word, door to door. Kind of sounds like door to door, door to door, right? It's not door to door. We say it very quickly. And in English, when we say, some words like that very quickly, then we put a little hyphen between the words to show that you should say it quickly. Okay, that's what it means, okay? Door to door. Door to door. So guys, I've been going door to door trying to sell my vacuum cleaners, and I haven't sold any yet. Have you ever gone door to door? So going door to door is pretty hard, you know, it's hard work, but you know, very often if you come to Canada, you might see people going door to door. It might be, for example, children on Halloween, right? And you know, on Halloween in the evening, you know, kids go door to door and they are asking for candy, right? That's the most common, probably most common example of going door to door. But you might also see kids going door to door doing like a bottle drive. Do you know what a bottle drive is? A bottle drive is where kids are trying to raise money for something. Maybe they're going to camp for the summer and they need money to, you know, to go to camp. Camp is a place here in Canada and the US. It's in our culture that kids often go to camp. What does that mean? That means they go to a place, usually in the summer camp, right? They go to a place for maybe a week or 2 weeks, and there are a lot of other kids there, and there are some instructors, and you know, they learn life skills that they wouldn't learn in school. So it's not school. It's not like school. It's like kind of fun. Like kids like going to camp, right? They play a lot of games. They do different activities where they learn about life. You know, maybe they go hiking and I don't know, they just do different things to learn, you know. So it's, you know, it's kind of like fun school, right? Because normal school is a bit boring, but if in the summer, if you're learning about how to do, maybe how to, I don't know, what do people do? Do they go fishing, or do they go, you know, hiking, or they, you know, they learn how to maybe build a fire, a campfire, or they, you know, have good conversations, you know, with their instructors, the instructors, or that, like they're basically like teachers, the counselors. Those kind of people at camps are called, like, they can be called camp counselors. Okay, they give the kids a, like, good advice, good teaching on how to grow up and be a good person, right? So that's kind of the purpose of camp. So going to camp is not free. You know, it costs money. So maybe kids, you might see a group of kids like going door to door, you know, doing a bottle drive to raise money to go to camp. So a bottle drive is when you go door to door and you ask the people, you knock on their door, you say, do you have any recycling, any cans and bottles that we can have? We're trying to raise money to go to camp. Okay. And then the people, they give the kids all their cans and bottles, you know, like, you know, I've got a bottle here, right? A bottle. So, you know, maybe give the kids all my recycling stuff. Why? Because in some parts of Canada, you get money for that, right? Like Alberta is one of the provinces where you get money. So if you take this, you know, if I finish drinking this water and I take this empty bottle to the recycling depot, they will give me some money back. I think it's 5 or 10 cents back. Okay. So kids go door to door and they collect, you know, hundreds or thousands of bottles and cans and stuff like that. And then they go take it to the recycling depot and they get money. That's one way that kids can make money. So they go door to door asking people for their bottles. That's called a bottle drive. Have you ever done a bottle drive? So guys, you know, kids very often go door to door. They might be selling cookies or doing something to raise money. That's usually why kids go door to door, unless it's Halloween where they're trying to get candy, right? But sometimes also adults go door to door, right? It might be for a religious reason. You might see some religious people going door to door. You know, they might be wearing a nice shirt and tie, and they might be holding a religious book or something, and they might ask you, "Hi, you know, we're with this religious group. We want to talk to you about our beliefs," something like that, right? So you might see different groups going door to door. You might see salespeople going door to door, like me, right? Knocking on people's doors. Would you like to buy my vacuum cleaner? You know, guys, door to door sales involves a lot of rejection. It's actually a very good experience to get a door-to-door sales job at some time in your life, because it helps you overcome your fear of talking to strangers. And it's very uncomfortable because you get rejected so much of the time, right? Very few people want to buy a vacuum cleaner from a door-to-door salesman. Or maybe your company offers some lawn care service. Okay, lawn means grass. So, you know, in the summer, your grass grows, and maybe you're too busy to take care of your lawn. And maybe you just want to pay someone some money. They will come take care of your lawn, put some like fertilizer products on there, you know, so there are no weeds or anything. And maybe they'll come cut your lawn, make it look really nice. Okay, so maybe a company like that would come, you know, knocking on your door saying, "Hi, I'm with this company. Would you like to sign up for our lawn care, you know, service this summer?" And then you can say, "Sure." And you can pay them, and they will come maybe a few times in the summer and take care of your lawn. Or if you don't want it, you can just say no respectfully, or you can just slam the door in their face. It's up to you, right? So, you know, door-to-door sales, that's it's a hard job, guys. So guys, I just wanted to talk a little bit about door-to-door, going door-to-door. And that's one kind of marketing. Okay, so in this little series, I'm going to be talking about different kinds of marketing, talking about different marketing terms, you know, because it's actually very important, especially for jobs. Okay, like even if your job isn't directly in marketing, knowing some English around, you know, business, marketing, this kind of stuff, it's actually going to be really helpful for you in all jobs. Or even if you don't even have a job, if you just live in Canada, if you live in an English-speaking country, it's good to know about, you know, these kinds of words and phrases. Okay, so guys, I just wanted to teach you guys door-to-door, few little words like bottle drive and stuff like that. So in my coming videos, we'll talk about, you know, more of that stuff. But for now, I think I'll go back to taking my nap, having my good dream about work and selling vacuum cleaners. So guys, as always, I love you so much. Hope you're doing great. Hope you're staying safe, healthy, and happy. And I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.